Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can screen record in Windows 11 with no watermark, no time limit, and for free. Now, you can download an external software called OBS. It's actually the thing I'm using right now to record my screen. And this is a completely valid option. You can download it by going to the browser and going to their website here. Although, if you're looking for something that's already available in Windows 11 and you don't want to go through the hassle of downloading a software, there is also a method that's built in into Windows themselves. So the thing you can do is by pressing Windows Shift plus R, so Windows Shift plus R, there's something called the snipping tool here, right? And if you go to this section called record and you highlight your screen or the area you want to record here, and then you can click on start here, you'll see that after a countdown, it'll begin screen recording your screen like this. Now, this is a healthy alternative to Xbox or the Xbox Game Bar or OBS. This is completely free, there's no time limit, and of course, there's no watermark because this is built in into Windows themselves. That is how you can screen record in Windows 11. If you like this video, please consider liking and also subscribing.